Have you ever heard strange sounds coming from the sky? A mysterious phenomenon known as sky trumpets or sky quakes has been puzzling people around the world. From Malaysia to Canada, witnesses describe it as an eerie mix of trumpets, grinding metal, and what sounds like the sky itself crying. In 2015, a video from Malaysia went viral when residents captured these haunting sounds echoing through their city. But here's the twist: scientists still can't fully explain it. Some blame atmospheric pressure changes, others point to electromagnetic waves, and a few even suggest it could be the Earth's natural groaning as tectonic plates shift. Whatever the cause, these unexplained sounds continue to captivate and mystify us, reminding us that our world still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. There's a link in the description of this video, or in bio or comment section. We are giving away $65 for free to join our app. Highlight and click on it to get your free $65 now.